Hello everyone, this is Julita talking from the Merixstudio office. Here is the fresh portion of digital health news. Let's start. Spora Health launches primary care network for Black people and people of color. A number of healthcare disparities exist for Black people in America, but they can oftentimes go unaddressed due to the lack of education and understanding among medical professionals. An equitable healthcare system, Spora Health, is a care delivery platform and care team that is accessible for these people in affordable prices. Good job! A Swedish 3D bioprinting cell link has gone public. Cell-Link is one of the first companies in the world to offer 3D printable Bioink, which is used to print human organs and tissues. In just 3 years of existence, the company has been able to commercialize products using more than 600 labs in 50 countries. The startup has made such advances as creating the first 3D bioprinted cornea. This news is very important. Llamas, the cute animals, might help scientists in research against COVID. It turns out that camelids, which include llamas, alpacas and camels, generate antibodies that have therapeutic potential in the fight against the pandemic coronavirus. The antibodies are simply binding the virus. We have to thank here Wally, a black llama that was cooperating the scientists in the research. It is likely that thanks to him, the scientists will be able to develop a new drug. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.